Hi there, how are you? This is Monor Hossain from Wix Web Expert, and I have done a marketplace functionality through Wix CMS. So the functionality will look like that way. Like yes, this is a beauty wellness website, and my client want to show the professionals. Who are the professionals about the beauty professionals or wellness. So they will be listed on the website, but they need to buy the a plan at first to be display or listed on this professional page. And they have also the treatment or services, consultation, room rental as well they have, and I have developed that with the booking functionality. They have about 5 rooms, and the rooms are available for hourly, half day, evening session, full day, and weekend full day, and weekly package as well. So the main functionality is the become a pro. So when anyone click, like as they want to be listed on the website like as a professional, it can be the wellness expert, or it can be like as there are a lot of expert will be listed here under the professional tab. So how it will work? It will work like as if you are the professional and you want to be listed look like that way on the website, then obviously at first you need to go become a pro, and then you need to buy a plan here. Like as this is the monthly plan, the recurring plan, and here is the yearly plan. So on this browser I am not a approved monthly plan subscriber, and on this window or on this browser I am a professional subscriber of this website. So how will work the functionality? At first they will buy the plan. If I will go to become a pro, then I can see under my account here is my subscription, and under the subscription I have a plan $20 per month, and I have option to cancel the plan as well. And under my booking I can see here if I take any book from this website, and as well as if I have both any course, because they have the course feature as well, like is the training, they are giving the training to make a professional. So they have this course system. If anyone click on it, then they can see here the course functionality as well. Here is the lesson, and here is the price. When they will join, they can see the course content when they will join here, and they will buy the course. So on this website have all of the functionality that you need. Like as for the room rental, we have the booking system. For our treatment, if I will go to the our treatment page, here I have the booking as well. If you want to take a consultation for 30 minutes, here is the price. You need to click book now. The website is not live, that's why we are not going to the next part. On the next part, customer can see which time they want to book, and we can set which time it will be available. We can put the availability there, like as which time they can buy the book. So the professional functionality will work at first. When I will buy the plan, then I am a subscriber of this website from this window, and if I will go to my account, then I can see under my account my all of the information, and I can see here a tab list your profile. So when I will click list your profile, then I need to put the data of my information. So you can ask me that why I have this access, because I am a subscriber of this website to be listed on the professional tab. But from this browser, if I will go to list your profile, then I can see here I need to buy a pricing plan. Then I can see this forum to be listed on the website. So once I will fill up my information, then I have done the functionality with using Wix CMS. So when anyone fill up those information, then what will happen on the backend part? If I will go to under the CMS, then I can see here the professionals list. So if I will click here, then here have all of the information I store here using the Wix CMS. So when anyone fill up this forum, then all of the information will go under this CMS, and from this CMS the information will display on this page, the professional page. So at first the professionals or the sellers, they will fill up their information, and obviously they need to buy the plan at first under become a pro, and when they will buy the plan, they will have access to fill up this forum, and when they will fill up the forum, the information will go under my Wix backend part, and the information will be stored here. So once I will get the monthly or yearly payment, then I will put it I will make it visible or hide. If anyone cancel the subscription, then I can make it hidden, so this profile will be not display anymore on the live website. So when any new customer will join and they will submit their profile, I make a functionality there that I will have access to visible or hide that. So if I will get the payment, then I can make the profile visible, otherwise I can give them warning that you have already monthly or yearly access plan and you need to renew it. So I can contact them manually to renew it without direct the cancel. That's why I put this step here, so they can easily hidden or visible the profile on the live website. So yeah, it's very good feature. So look like that way the functionality will work, and when anyone go to the professional tab to hire anyone, then here have the view details page as well. The information will go on a details page. You can see his name, his profession, some of the description about the professional, and the professional email, professional's phone number, LinkedIn link, and availability as well have there. And here have a button, contact now. So when anyone click on it, it will go there, maybe the Calendly, or if they link any of the phone number or Meet or something look like that, they can link anything on this button. Because when they will fill up the information, here have the full name, about, email, they can upload their photo, and this photo will display under the professional tab. And here have the phone number, description, LinkedIn URL, describe availability, contact button link. You can put here booking link, website, or your phone number, and field of expertise, which field your expertise, you need to select it. And when they will submit the profile, it will go to under the Wix CMS under this collection. And from here, if I will make it visible, if I will make it hidden, and if I will give a refresh on the professionals tab, you can see one card is hide from there. And if I will make it visible, and if I will go to this page and give a refresh, then I can see here will be 2 card, because I make that visible. So look like that way you can control a small or startup marketplace for your website or for your business. Like as if you want to together some of the influencer and you want to sell the membership plan, and your website have a lot of visitor, and you want to do this business with your website, then I can create something look like that for you. Even more functionality if you want to include, like as on this page we can include a filter, like as the category, with categories professional will display there, and as well as we can include the review functionality the same way. So if you want something look like that, then I can assist you to make look like that functionality for your business as well. So if you need a Wix website, and there will be like as the booking functionality, membership functionality, and the subscription and shop feature as well include on this website. I mean, this is a masterpiece website, and on this website have all of the functionality included. Here you can see the e-commerce is working fully fine, and here have the product. When anyone click and each product, then they can see each product description on it, they can buy it, and they can add to cart it as well. And on the card will display the product, and you can go over the website and you can choose multiple product to add to cart, and you can choose the size as well if the size available, and then you can go to checkout and they can buy any product from your website. So on this website have the shop functionality, and here is the course functionality. When anyone buy the course, under this course the website owner will put the videos, document or any kind of things, and the functionality will work smoothly. And as well as room rental, on room rental page there have the booking functionality. I can customize your any kind of booking functionality that you need. And under the consultation as well as have the website design, book your consultation, it will go directly under the consultation page. And as well as the treatment, here have also another booking things. So if you need something look like that website, you may knock me. I am available to take the new project. That's it for today. If you have any more question about those functionality, then feel free to take a free consultation of my website. My website is Wix. If you search on Google with Wix Expert, then my website is here, Wix Web Expert, and you can go to my website and you can schedule a meeting with me. Or if you want a quick communication, then you may knock me on my WhatsApp directly from here, and I will give you the answer within 5 minutes. And I have another agency as well, Panda Website Design. This is my new agency, and you may knock me any of the number and I will be available there. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye for now.